Set along the quiet edge of a flowing river, this house is an architectural project driven by the desire to blend seamlessly into its natural surroundings while maintaining a strong and contemporary identity. The exterior is defined by a matte black metal cladding that subtly reflects the colors of the landscape and the movement of the river water. Solid and modern, the building takes on the presence of a dark rock resting on the riverbank. Strong, minimal, and deeply connected to nature. The building is defined by a matte black metal cladding that reflects the changing colors of the surrounding landscape and the flowing water of the river. Solid and sculptural, the house appears like a dark rock emerging from the riverbank. Modern, timeless, and deeply connected to its environment. The house extends toward the river, projecting over it and opening its main facade to the water. Developed on 2 levels, the architecture clearly separates functions. The ground floor is dedicated to the living area, while the upper floor hosts the private sleeping spaces. The main entrance is located at the center of the rear facade. Above the main entrance, integrated into the upper floor, wooden slats are carefully embedded into the facade. This detail creates a balanced dialogue between modern and traditional design, reflecting on the exterior the same materials used inside the house. At the same time, the natural texture of the wood establishes a subtle connection with the forest located at the rear of the building, reinforcing the house's relationship with its surrounding landscape. From here, the interior opens into a spacious living room that directly faces the river. A large glass facade defines the front of the house, designed to dissolve the boundary between inside and outside, and to create a constant visual and emotional connection with the surrounding nature. Within the living space, one wall is dedicated to the kitchen, an open and social environment where cooking and dining become shared experiences, always accompanied by views of the river and the landscape beyond. The interiors are characterized by light wood finishes, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere, while preserving a modern and sophisticated aesthetic through clean lines and elegant, light-colored furnishings. The ground floor also features an elegant, bright, and welcoming bathroom. Near the entrance, a staircase leads to the upper level. The stairwell is filled with natural light thanks to a large window, enhancing the sense of openness and vertical connection within the house. On the upper floor, an elegant bathroom serves the night area. From here, a corridor separates the children's bedrooms from the master bedroom. The corridor continues the use of light wood surfaces and is illuminated from above by a large skylight, bringing daylight deep into the interior. The master bedroom reflects the same warm and refined material palette as the living area, with light wood interiors that create a calm and intimate atmosphere. Integrated linear lighting runs along the walls, providing soft artificial light during the evening, while during the day an expansive skylight above floods the room with natural light from the sky. The single bedrooms are cozy and well-proportioned, ideal spaces for rest and study, each offering beautiful views of the surrounding nature. Throughout the year, the house adapts to the changing seasons. In winter, falling snow creates a striking contrast with the dark exterior cladding, emphasizing the clean geometry and strong volumes of the building. At night, the warm interior lights of the house reflect gently on the surface of the river. The shimmering water then mirrors this glow back onto the dark exterior cladding, creating a layered play of reflections. This subtle interaction between light, water, and architecture transforms the house into a magical and welcoming presence within the landscape. The regular yet dynamic composition of the exterior forms gives the house a unique and timeless character. Modern yet welcoming, The Riverside house is designed as a place for relaxation, contemplation, and everyday life. An ideal home for holidays or for living in harmony with nature. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more architectural projects and 3D visualizations. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.